Hi, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we are standing on a brand new Harris 240 Solstice. So the cool thing about Harris Solstice, they come in multiple model lineups. This particular one is a single lounger dual helm, so it's got two helm seats in the back, and then a single lounger across the back, and then of course at the front we have two really nice long couches. This particular model has a drop-in live well. So the drop-in live well can either be used as a live well or you can use it as a cooler. Most of our clients use it as a cooler and enjoy it that way. Under all the seating we have some really nice storage. So large storage area. The dual stage hinge here actually drops this cushion down, making it easy to get in and out, so it lowers this cushion down some. Harris uses rotocast seat bases, and all their bases they actually put drain troughs all the way around, so any water that's draining off of your swimsuit will drain down into these troughs and out the back of the furniture, making it, really dry storage for you. Nice flip down armrests on both couches. LED lighting that you can see around the floor all the way around. In-floor storage. Cool thing about the in-floor storage with Harris's in-floor storage is actually separate from the center tune, so they seal it off from that center tri-tune in here. There is a bilge pump in here, so any water that gets down in there gets bilged overboard. As we make our way back, you'll see that we have an upgraded Polk audio system, so we've got the subwoofer inside of this one. The two nice high back captain's chairs. This one is a recliner. So we make our way to the back here, we have that single lounger I was talking about. So this backrest flips forward and gives you a really nice lounge area back here on the back. With this lounge area, you can actually ride back here because of the stainless steel railing that's all the way around the back here. Makes it legal and safe for you to ride back here. Videotape your kids, take pictures of your kids while they're out there tubing. Lots of storage in here, as you can see. We've got the cover in here, we've got fenders in here, we've got the acrylic table that comes with this boat in here. You can put tubes in here, coolers in here, all kinds of really nice stuff. Flip down swim step. So the flip down swim step flips down into the water. You can sit on it, you can swim up to it and hang out on it. It's great for dogs to get in and out of the boat on it. Nice stainless steel ski tow bar. This model is optioned with the new 250 Verado. This is a V8 engine. Lots of power, lots of torque. Nice wide handles on the stainless steel ladder. It's a 4-step ladder that goes deep into the water, making it easy to get in and out of the water, especially with those wide handles. Flip up cleats. We did option this 240 Solstice with the Watersports Tower. You can wakeboard off of here, and it has the double bimini on it. As we come to the helm, as with all Harris helm stations, really well laid out in a pointed dash. The switches are easy to get to for all of your lights and your navigation lights and your stereo. Stereo's easy to get to. Like I said, it is a Polk audio upgrade stereo system. All of our boats come with a Simrad Go 5 unit in it, so you've got chart plotter, fish finder, GPS, everything inside of there. Active trim, so this boat will trim itself as you're running across the lake. Going to a turn, things going to trim down. As you're coming out of it, it's going to trim right back up. Digital throttle and shift. Digital throttle and shift. You have a docking mode on here that allows you to go into the dock really easily rather than having all the power at once. It limits the amount of power that you get going into the dock, making it easier to put the boat back in your slip. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today here at MarineMax Dallas on this brand new Harris 240 Solstice. I'm Chris Harding. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 972-436-9979. You can also visit us online at marinemax.com, or we'd love for you to come into the store and allow us the opportunity to walk through the boat with you and really show you what the Harris is truly about. Thanks for your time and have a great day.